Now, if you click anywhere in the emulated screen area, you will come up with a menu. And in that menu, there's a new option called Z80 Debugger. And for those of you that have used 81 on Windows, you will see that the interface is very similar. You can tap on the lines to add breakpoints, or you can add them manually. You can tap on the line again to remove the breakpoints. You can delete the breakpoints from here by sliding left. You can run it in a continuous mode. And you'll note when you're running it, you can see that the top view highlights in red those registers that have changed. Okay, so add to here. Run again. Take continuous off, obviously get straight to the breakpoint. Now, I suppose one of the biggest challenges of actually doing this was to get it to work on all the various iOS and iPadOS device sizes. So you could rotate it like this. Let's choose a smaller device. So this is the smallest iOS device that can run the app. The colors are a little bit different in this one because it's running not in dark mode. Again, ZX80 Debugger. The layout is more compact, so you have to click to go between the different views. Again, if I was to rotate the screen, you can see that the layout adapts to try and show more of the area, but has to scroll more vertically. Here's on a larger device. Just a contrast. It shows more of the registers, as much as it can do. A quick word, so I've just spliced this into the video. I do plan on making some further changes to the app. So as Steven McDonald has suggested to me, I'm going to add the ability to edit the values in the registers to help with debugging, and also to be able to see a memory map, or a memory dump of what's currently in the emulated memory. One thing to bear in mind if you're trying out this feature, unfortunately, if you're running iOS 12 or below, you won't see the option Z80 Debugger. Well, you'll see something similar, but it will only show you a very simplistic view of just the registers. The reason for this is that I'm using this app kind of like a portfolio project. It's for me to experiment with and things, and I've written the new features. I start writing using SwiftUI, which require iOS 13 or above. There is some thanks I have to give to people that were helping me with this. Steven McDonald for his time in testing, and the various people that helped me with the translating of the app. So it's been translated to various languages, including the Z80 Debugger interface. If any of you have a Mac that has an M1 processor, one of the new devices that they've released, let me know how well it works actually on an M1 Mac, because supposedly you can install iOS and iPadOS apps to those devices. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.